If you're planning a door installation in Scottsdale, preparing your home beforehand can help make the process smooth and efficient. By taking a few proactive steps, you can ensure that the installation is quick, safe, and as hassle-free as possible. Here's a guide to help you get your home ready for a new door installation. Clear the area around the door. The first step to preparing for door installation is to clear the space both inside and outside the door area. The installers need room to work efficiently, so make sure any furniture, decorations, or obstacles are removed. Move furniture and decor. Move any furniture, plants, wall art, or decorative items away from the doorway and adjacent walls. This creates an open space for the installers to bring in tools and materials without risking damage to your belongings. Clear outdoor space. On the exterior side, trim any plants, bushes, or landscaping that may obstruct access to the door. If you have potted plants or lawn decor near the entrance, move them temporarily to ensure the area is clear. By ensuring ample space around the door, you'll help the installation crew work safely and efficiently. Protect your floors. Door installation can be a dusty, dirty job, as old doors are removed and new ones are brought in. To avoid damage or dust buildup on your floors, take the time to cover the area with protective materials. Use drop cloths or plastic sheeting. Place drop cloths, plastic sheets, or floor coverings along the pathway leading to the installation area. This will protect your floors from dust, debris, or any accidental scratches caused by moving heavy materials. Secure the covering. Make sure that any protective covering is securely taped down to prevent tripping hazards or movement during the installation process. In addition to protecting your floors, this step will make post-installation cleanup much easier. Keep pets and children safe. Door installation involves heavy tools, materials, and sharp objects, so it's essential to keep pets and young children safely away from the installation area. Arrange a safe space. If you have pets, consider setting them up in a room far from the door being replaced, or have a friend or family member take care of them temporarily. Loud noises from power tools can also cause stress for pets, so creating a calm, separate area for them is a good idea. Instruct children. If you have children, explain that they need to stay clear of the installation area. Keeping them occupied in another room can prevent accidents and ensure the installers can work without interruption. Prioritizing safety for pets and children will make the process safer and more efficient for everyone involved. Plan for noise and dust. Door installations often involve removing the old frame, sanding, and potentially cutting, all of which can be noisy and dusty. It's helpful to be prepared for the noise levels and potential mess during the installation. Cover nearby furniture. If there are nearby pieces of furniture or electronics, consider covering them with plastic sheets or cloths to protect against dust. Use air filters. If dust is a concern, use air purifiers or fans to keep the dust contained to the immediate installation area. Notify neighbors. If you live in close proximity to others, like in an apartment or condo, consider letting your neighbors know about the installation. They'll appreciate the heads up about the temporary noise, and it will foster good relations in your community. Arrange for easy access. Installers need easy access to the entryway, as well as to any areas where tools or materials might be stored during the process. Make sure the pathway from the front door to the nearest parking area is clear. Provide parking access. Arrange parking close to your home so installers can quickly bring tools and materials in and out. If you have a driveway, clear it to allow for easier access. Open pathways. Ensure that hallways, stairways, or any other paths leading to the installation site are clear of obstacles. This saves time and effort for the installation crew and reduces the chance of accidental damage. Easy access for the installation team means a quicker and smoother installation experience for you. Inspect the new door upon delivery. If your new door has already been delivered, inspect it before the installation day to ensure it's in perfect condition. Check for damage. Look over the door carefully for any scratches, dents, or defects. If you notice any issues, contact the company immediately to resolve them before installation day. Confirm measurements. Double-check that the door's measurements match the specifications discussed with your installer. This will help prevent any installation delays due to sizing issues. Inspecting the door ahead of time will ensure there are no unexpected setbacks on installation day. By taking these steps, you'll help ensure a seamless, safe, and efficient door installation for your Scottsdale home. From clearing the area to managing pets and checking your new door, a bit of preparation goes a long way in making the process smooth for both you and the installation team. Once your new door is installed, you can enjoy the benefits of improved aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency in your Scottsdale home.